Good morning, guys. And first of all, I hope you are very healthy and happy, guys. So, guys, I just want to say that you should come every day for walking. Yes, do you know, guys, that early to bed and early to rise makes man healthy and wise. So that is why you should get up early in the morning, and first important thing you should go for walking. And guys, today I have come up for walking and I'm just making this video for you, and in this video I'm just going to talk about fluency. Guys, I just want to say that you can't ignore this part. This is really very important part of speaking. If you want to communicate with anyone, then you should be fluent. You should be fluent of language, because it definitely help you. This is the predominantly part of learning any language. So guys, I just want to say that you should do practice of speaking, so that it will be very easy to communicate well with anyone. So guys, I just want to say that if you really want to speak fluently, then you should not take care of your mistakes. Yeah, firstly, you should improve your speaking, because if you want to speak fluently, then first of all you need to take care of speaking, because I think that if this is your mother tongue, then it is very easy for you to speak well. But if this is not your mother tongue, yeah, I'm talking about English, and you know very well that this is not your mother tongue. This is a second language for you. That is why you are trying to learn this language. So first of all, try to speak in English, and afterwards you need to do practice of becoming fluent speaker of this language. So guys, I just want to say, what does it mean? What is the meaning of fluency? Fluency means you are able to express your ideas, your thoughts, your feelings in front of the people easily, smoothly, and correctly, properly. So guys, first of all, if you are talking with someone and if you want to speak fluently and spontaneously, so you should practice continuously. Do practice continuously, and it is going to help you. And guys, I just want to say that if you are committing mistakes, so don't bother about them, and you need to do practice a lot. There is no any technique which is going to help you. There is no any trick. But if you will do practice a lot, then definitely it is going to help you. And guys, I hope that today I am also trying to speak fluently. And guys, when you are speaking fluently, if you are getting stuck, no problem, but at least try to speak. And guys, if you really want to speak fluently, you need to take any topic. You can take any topic, like if you want to talk about any book, any novel, any trend, so you need to take out any topic and speak about that topic fluently, and means thoughts will come automatically. So guys, I just want to say that do practice a lot, and guys, believe me, it is going to help you a lot. And guys, I just want to say that no need to get nervous, and whenever you are speaking, you should speak fluently as well as confidently, because I just want to say that confidence is the key of your success. So whenever you are speaking in front of anyone, please try to speak confidently. And I just want to say that if you do not know anything, no problem, at that time also try to speak confidently. It will definitely help you to crack any exam. Not only exam, I just want to say that if you will do practice a lot, then it is going to help you to impress your personality, and it will definitely influence for interviewer. So guys, lastly, I just want to say that please start speaking from today and speak fluently. You can speak fluently for 10 minutes at your home. You need to just talk in front of the camera. You have mobile, I can understand that you will have mobile, and you can just make your video and speak fluently. It doesn't matter whatever you are speaking, please speak. Don't think that I am speaking wrong and I am doing so many mistakes. Don't bother about the mistake, don't bother about the grammatical mistake. If you really want to speak fluently, guys, I am not paying attention. And guys, don't try to think when you are speaking fluently, because if you will think, then you will not speak properly. Because in this portion if you really want to speak fluently, then you should not think, guys. And why I am saying about fluency, because if you are going to give any presentation, if you are going in any meeting, if you are going to give any interview, at that time you will have to speak fluently, because it will just going to impress your personality, how much knowledge you have, how much profound knowledge you have about the language. So guys, I just want to say that please focus upon your fluency and do practice only for 10 days, and within 10 days you will see the result, you will see the outcome, and you will definitely speak fluently, and you will think, wow, I have changed, there is some change in my personality, in my speaking. So guys, I just want to say that fluency is really a critical part of speaking. You can't ignore it, and please try to speak fluently as much as you can. You should speak as fast as you can. And guys, lastly, I just want to say that please try to speak in English, please, because you can't understand what is the value right now, and I have already told you. But after some time you will be able to identify, you will be able to evaluate what is the importance of speaking. That is why I am saying, sometimes if we do not know English language, then we feel inferiority complex, and we get nervous, we get anxious, we get stressed. So that is why I am saying, irrespective of anything, you should speak. So lastly guys, I just want to say that please subscribe to my channel, do comment, do share, and please share this video with your friends. And until then, keep learning, keep studying, and bye bye.